哎呦妈呀！Don't do that.
Hey, spicy? Hi. You're so dumb.
Ollie, look at me. What are you doing?
No. You get out.
Mango.
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
Can you give a squeak meow, Ash? Oh, thank you.
Will Milo.
That can go viral, Luke's.
Oh my god.
Measure that for me, mate. Cheers, pal. Lovely stuff.
I think you got shot.
No.
Hey, we're friends, huh? Man, get the hell up out of here.
One, two, three.
야, 의미겠어.
Quiero morra, güey. Tengo a ti.
I begin to pass out.
And look at this little businessman!
Pet him. No, Bryce, he's gonna attack me.
Don't flip!
小菊这两天是不是没吃好？Ollie, look at me. What are you...
I don't want to drink liquor. I don't like liquor. But the mouse at the demon in it. Aku ni bukan apa, tapi cumi.
Sorry, I tripped.
What? I hear when you attack me. Huh. There might be. I don't know though. Oh my God!
Hey.
Buddy, can I just get my key?
Oh gosh. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. If I can take you outside.
I got your baby. I got you. That's right.
This is Henry. Say hi.
Oh, lovely. Thank you very much indeed. Yeah.
You're so bad.
Not that serious.
Look. Hey, look at this. Somebody come look at this. Hey. Yeah, you, can I poop, please? Why?
Puss in Boots. There, Pinkle. Oh.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, dance! Sit.
오케이. 왜 저래? Go.
You really should. They're so funny. Water?
Otherwise, you're not gonna have enough height.
Hey, what are you doing in here?
You're very angry.
Dude, you're shitting our avocados!
Hey, come here.
Does anybody want a cat? Please. Feel free.
Look at this.
Perfect.
So let me go over this again. You want a Big Mac?
Why are you weird? Why are you this?
Timmy, I kind of want to use the bathroom alone, so if you could leave.
Ballerina cappuccina. Me, 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 me.
Who's the meanest kitty of all? Why are you so mean?
Tasty, delicious.
Oh my god.
It's gonna be hot.
¿Se calman o los calmo?
She's scared.
Metió, dice. Ayúdame.
哎呦我的妈！哎呦我的妈！Look. No!
Hey, what the heck are you doing? But you're just a pretty princess. Come here. Oh my!
It's pistachio ice cream.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Oh no. Personal space is like not a thing when it comes to my cat.
What are you doing?
Bullshit. What the fuck? Do a flip!
What do you got? What do you got?
Nada, why are you standing like that? You're so tall.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Parkour!
Hey, watch I make it. Watch I make it. 1, 2, ha!
Big boy, you don't belong in there.
Monte Isaiah. Oh.
Is literally real world. So it's completely the way you.
Can you move? Stop.
Yeah. I think you got
Simon. Thank you.
Do you always stop and stare when people taking a bath? You
God damn. Oh my God, what is that?
What the fuck?
I just went to put the lint in the trash can. You're joking. This is a joke, right?
Who looks at me funny?
What about that guy?
Having a moment.
No. Look.
Ow. I don't know.
Grover.
These traces of civilization are a good sign. This could be the way out of here.
My Lord, a snapping turlock.
Oh, let's fucking go! Let's fucking go!
Ow!
Quit it. You're driving me nuts.
It's time to get out. Yeah, let's go. Okay.
Look at what the fuck I just came home to. Goose. This is why you don't climb on the freaking counters. Augusta!
Hold on.
Stop, Jerry. That is so rude. Like it over. Oh my god. Whoa.
Yeah. There.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, what is that?
No! What are you doing? Beans!
But to see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
They are my chicken nuggets. He's growling.
They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once.
There you go. She's so stoked right now.
Hey, Lily, do the slinky.
Come on.
Come here. Musisz spalić tego czynnik, mamo.
He doesn't know whose tail it is.
Let me hear a meow.
It is obvious that I will soon starve to death. I have repeatedly tried to draw attention to my predicament.
She's trying to catch snowflakes.
Riley, give it to me. Oh my.
The most dangerous animal on this planet.
I'm sorry.
Baby ถ้าเราเข้ากันได้ก็คงดีแต่ว่าเธอนั้นดันไม่ใช่แค่
That's Playful.
Want to bite my bacon, egg, and cheese?
Okay, thank you. You were talking to the fucking cat.
She's mad at me because I didn't give her enough attention all day. Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Get it all out, sweetheart. Yeah, no, I know.
Are you done being rude? Oh, apparently not.
Non, je t'ai laissé dans.
I'm not going outside. I'm gonna run right here. I know.
Oh, the rat's face and it's sitting there and he's playing with it!
Macaroni with the chicken strips.
Bye.
Another twist of fate? How many twists of fate do you think you're allowed in your life, Matt? Your name is Lorena.
You got caught in 4K. Get the goddamn toilet for I'll book your
Zor, zor.
Kick yourself in the face again.
You gotta ask your stepchildren what the items are. And they say Jack the Killer.
You guys should go to the.
Get down off of the garbage can. Please? That's good recycling.
I love you.
You're a male and you're neutered, and you're a male and you're neutered. So where did these kittens come from?
To make this his new house.
Good morning. How are you? I'm good.
Can I help you? Can I help you? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
My cat loves touching my face. Touch me anywhere else. Anywhere else. Anywhere else.
Please tell me this cat is fucking joking me! Ah!
To go now. Yes, we have to go inside. Yes.
Like, are you serious? What?
Get it off my bed, you idiot! Get it off my...
He just like starts licking the air, and I don't know why. Does anyone else's cat do that?
If you don't see him yet. And then you do.
Ze heeft hetzelfde.
Put that pressure on. Oh, no, 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 no. That's gonna cost production.
Go.
I'm cooking it. Would you quit being so dramatic? Oh my god.
Love you.
Что за поза? 10 минут.
I just spin her. What will she do?
So how's 2022? Oh, what? Oh, shit. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. 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 Wow.
Don't let your cat pet you and see what he does.
Il mio superpotere non è arrivato subito, perché ogni superpotere si manifesta. E tu non lo sai.
No! No! This is my canes. None for
darling.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Oh my God.
Oh. Cooper, what's something that you wish the world could know?
Are you okay? Are you stuck?
Hey, Magnus? Maybe Molly doesn't like you sitting on her like that?
That's not gonna work.
นี่นะครับ เด็กดื้อทำจานแตกครูเฟอร์เมื่อกี้ทำอะไร
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Just always in his own world. He really quiet for real unless he know you. He's funny as hell though, but if he know you type shit.
Thank you so much. Thank you for that.
My cat is like asleep on my monitor, bro. What the hell?
Eddie, you don't know how much I want to touch your belly. You don't know how much I want to touch your belly, Eddie. How many treats can I give you so I can rub your belly?
Don't. Pippin, no. Stop it.
Cleo. Cleo. Cleo.
So I got this heating pad for my cramps. But I think he is enjoying it a little bit more.
This is where he hides, because clearly you can't see him. And then he jumps out. He's cute.
Supposed to be on the counter. No. That's dangerous.
Oh my god, I wonder where Winnie is. Where could she be? Could she be?
Stop it. Stop. This isn't you.
This motherfucker wants a chicken wing so bad. Look at the stance, dude. He wants a chicken wing.
Bam! The kitty police will come right through that front door and take you straight to cat jail. But only if you don't cuddle with mom. It's true, I swear.
Dagger, you have a customer. Oh, okay. Ma'am, you no need to act like that, ma'am. He's closed right now. He's on break.
This is Luna. And let's see if she'd survive a quiet place. Give me little toesies. Here we go. Why can't you be like your sister? Look at you, not a little peep. Such a good girl.
For the past 30 minutes, I've been practicing my presentation for tomorrow. You've been meowing the whole time. Can I help you, Sage?
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Okay, I know. I'm sorry.
Give a cat an egg, it'll take care of it because it knows how fragile the egg is.
Why are you pretending to eat the shower curtain? You don't. Wow! And then it's a miracle.
No! Luna! No! Just
Prices on the other side of the crease, no chance.
No, those are mine. Yeti, no.
Блядь, я закрыта.
Would you stop it? You wait. Would you stop it? You wait. There's no food, what are you?
Now you can't touch nothing.
Move it. Yeah, hello.
$157 million degrees. There's no way you want hot laundry.
Ridiculous.
Don't look at me like that. Want me to hold it? Touch yourself. You look so mad, bro. There you go.
Beverage. Don't do it. Shoot us! No! Don't listen to the voices. Resist. Don't you do it. No! You little...
Look at her.
Noah, let the dogs down.
Look at her head. She's so...
Buddy, you seriously need to have a long talk with your IQ. Love how he has no idea what's going on, but still trying to make his human smile. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.
Charlie!